In this video, we will create our first workflow, connect it to the issue type, and create request type and link it to the issue types. First of all, let's remove the issue types of this project, create a new issue type, create a new workflow, and create request types and connect it to the issue type. To add a new workflow, go to Setting, Issues, Workflows. Let's add a new workflow. Create a new workflow. Let's name it Medical Approval Workflow. Add. Let's start by drawing it. The issue when it is created will be opened. Let's add a new status. For example, in progress. Okay. From open to in progress. The name in progress. Add a new status named approved or method approved. New status. Add. We want it to be an in progress. Create. Approved. Add a new status. Declined. Add edit to be in progress. Let's drag and drop here. Declined. Now the agent, after making the issue in progress, he should approve or decline, then done. New status. Done. Right. We can reuse that. Also, the customer could reopen it again. We have made the workflow and it's not active yet. Now we should go back to the project and make a new issue type and connect it to the workflow. Let's go back to the project setting, issue types. Here we want to remove the bug issue type, new feature issue type, and support issue type and add our own issue type, then connect the workflow to it. Go to Actions, Edit Issue Type. Now remove, add issue type, rename it, for example, approval. Okay. We can add another issue type, for example, named as medical card Okay, let's save. We have created an issue before. He is asking us to, to switch this issue to medical approval. So we have to do next, choose the issue type approval, next, next, then finish. It's migrating, fresh, done. Okay, now let's go back to our project setting, issue types. Now the approval issue type, medical card issue type, are connected to a workflow called Jira. We want to connect it to the workflow we recently created. Go to workflows, add workflow, add existing workflow medical approval. Next, connect it to both issue types. Finish, publish. To switch the status of the open requests to open in the medical approval workflow. So I'll click on associate, fresh, done. Now our medical approval workflow is connected to the issue types. Let's now create a new request type. Go to request type. Let's remove all these request types as we don't need them anymore. Delete, delete. Let's create a new request type. Name it, for example, medical approval or hospital approval. We could change the icon and choose this. Here he is asking use workflow and fields from this issue type. We want to connect it to the approval issue type or the medical card will connect it to the approval issue type. Next, create. Go back to request types. We want to create another one. Create request type. For example, pharmacy approval. Change icon, or I'll select this approval. Next, create. Go back to request type. Here, the request types are connected to the issue types called approval. Now I want request types for the issue type called card or medical card. Let's create a new request type. Example, the customer wants to renew his card, medical card. Next, create request type. For example, activate my card, request type, medical card, create, back, create request type, deactivate my card, medical card, period. Okay. Now there are three request types for the issue type called medical card and two request types for the issue type called approval. Let's go back and test. Create a ticket. I want approval or medical card. I want approval, hospital approval. Please approve the hospital query. Create. Let's refresh. The issue is not assigned to me yet, so let's go to all open tickets, queue. Here I can find the ticket. If I clicked on it, I can find that the issue type is approval. Here I can find the request types of the approvals issue type. The reporter, I can assign it to me, and I can work ticket. Can write a note for my colleague, for example, dear Dr. Ahmed, please approve patient ticket. Okay, and I can mention. Okay, okay. Omar Fethi, for example. Save. Now let's create a new ticket for the issue type medical card. Create. I want issue type medical card. For example, activate my card. Please activate my card. Let's create. We can find here that the issue type is medical card and the request type activate my card. We can change the request type deactivate or renewal, or leave it as it is. For your information, you can change the issue type from issue type to another by clicking on the issue type, approval, issue type changed. If we click on refresh, we can find here the issue type changed to approval, and we can choose the request types related to approval. Thank you for watching, and we will continue in the upcoming videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you.